Birds Make Nests by Michael Garland. Mute swan. Black-capped chickadee. Mourning dove. Birds make nests. Male painted bunting. Female painted bunting. Some nests are high. Osprey. Some nests are low. Australian pelican. These nests are shaped like cups. Male northern cardinal, female northern cardinal, male ruby-throated hummingbird, female ruby-throated hummingbird. These nests are shaped like mounds. American flamingo. Some birds make nests on the ground. Common ostrich. Some birds make nests in holes in trees. Great horned owl. Some birds make nests in burrows on grassy slopes. Atlantic puffin. Some birds make nests that hang. This bird makes its nest with grass and animal hair. The hole is at the top. Male Baltimore oriole. This bird makes its nest with sticks and leaves. The hole is at the bottom. Verdin. This bird uses mud to close a hole in a tree. The female stays in the tree. The male has to feed her. Male great hornbill. Female great hornbill. And this bird uses a snake skin to keep predators away. Great crested flycatcher. These birds make one big nest. Sociable weavers. But some birds don't make nests. This bird lays its eggs in another bird's nest. Brown-headed cowbird. Birds make many kinds of nests in many kinds of places. Thrush nightingale, house finch, house sparrow, barn owl, Canada goose, western bluebird, white stork. Birds make nests to keep eggs safe. Bald eagle. And to keep chicks safe. American robin. And one day, chicks leave their nest. Female wood duck. Common loon. The end.